Welcome to one of the largest parliaments in the world, and of course one of my favorite buildings. It took 17 years to build. It has a height of 96 meters. It's definitely worth entering. I couldn't get tickets because it fills up quickly, so I recommend buying them well in advance. The ticket cost around 30 euros. It's called Liberty Square because it used to be a place of repression. And nowadays, it's the square where festivals and city celebrations take place. And if it's sunny, people come to lunch on the grass. And say hello to the tiny frog. You will find more around the city. There are several sculptures in honor of freedom and democracy. You will also find a monument with photos of the Holocaust victims. And in front of it, an interactive fountain. It's a city with a lot of history. If we keep walking, we will find this beautiful basilica. It's also worth going inside, but I didn't have time, unfortunately. The price is around 15 euros. It's a grand temple to pay homage to Saint Stephen I, the first king of Hungary, and the one who established Christianity in the kingdom. It's definitely worth getting lost in the streets of the Jewish quarter. It's an area with many traditional restaurants. You can also go inside to visit for around 15 euros. I recommend staying in the neighborhood at night. And of course, go to one ruined bar. The oldest, largest and most famous in Budapest. They are bars that were once abandoned buildings and now they are part of the Budapest nightlife. The decoration is unique. Computers on the wall, graffiti everywhere, exhibitions by artists, hanging plants. It looks like you enter to another world. Each room is unique. I had so much fun. And it's really cheap. Don't miss out on visiting this fantastic place. It's beautiful. You can enter the lobby for free or pay for a tour or attend an opera. I didn't expect it to be so beautiful. It was built in 1884. It has a capacity for 1,290 spectators. The avenue that hosts luxury shops and the opera. Visit the statue of Sisi. It's definitely worth taking a boat tour on the Danube at night. It offers stunning views of the Parliament and the city. I only pay $15 for a 1-hour tour. And I got to enjoy the city lights and the incredible views. They say that if you see the Danube and it's blue, it means you are in love. What do you think? I absolutely loved the tour. It was one of my favorite activities. So go ahead and get your tickets. It's one of the most important places in Budapest. It received its name in 1932. It's located at one end of Andrassy Avenue near City Park. What you see here is a nice rink that they open in winter. And if you cross the bridge and walk through the park, you will reach the castle. Love this place. This 1896 lakeside castle shows the evolution of Hungarian architecture in its elaborate design. I recommend walking around its surroundings because every part is beautiful. This place is so magical. Budapest is also known for its thermal bath, and we are now at the largest one. The building is gorgeous. The price of the ticket is around 30–40 euros. They are the largest medicinal thermal bath in Europe, and its waters are around 25 degrees Celsius. It's surrounded by a beautiful park. Here we find typical products and food. It opens from 6 to 6. Across from it, there's a park where you can relax. Something you must do in Budapest is walk across the chain bridge. It's called that because it was originally made of large chains. And of course it has a beautiful view. You can also cross it by tram. I recommend walking along the riverside promenade. Fortunately, I had a very sunny day and I took advantage of the sun, enjoying the view. And I went back to having mate in the evening. Budapest is divided by Buda and Pest, and you also need to visit Buda. As you can see, it's the oldest part of the city. You can visit many historical buildings and basilics. And being elevated, it offers beautiful views. Was built between the 13th and 15th centuries and underwent a significant renovation in the late 19th century. From this beautiful building, you can see the views of the city. I really love the building. And you can take the opportunity to take photos. The historic residence of the Hungarian kings in Budapest. The gardens, the main courtyard and the surroundings of the Buda Castles are free. And of course the views it offers are beautiful. You must visit the castle if you go to Budapest, trust me. Budapest is such a beautiful and safe city that it's worth getting lost walking through the streets. I hope you'll be as fascinated as I was with the beautiful buildings and streets. So I hope my advice has been helpful and that you enjoy the city as much as I did. See you in the next video. Bye!